Good morning. Hope you're all doing fine and well during this pandemic. Please follow Government of India regulations and stay safe. Follow the rules. This week, I'm going to cover the international affairs. What happened the week this was. One of the most important development what has happened this week is US has waived on the process of waiving the patent on COVID-19 vaccines. Big companies like Johnson and Johnson or AstraZeneca, Moderna or Pfizer or any other companies or the companies who are working for them or the new companies, whatever money they have put on R&D, whatever discoveries they have been made, now that has to be made for the public good because it should become people's medicine. The main reason is the pandemic, nobody expected the pandemic will become like this, and the world has been shattered. It has crossed First World War. The people who died nearly the First World War, it has reached nearly there, and it is going to cross if we don't contain now the Second World War level. So the question now is it is a great step that India, South Africa and the 50 or more nations, small, medium, developing countries, they are all fighting for the vaccine waiver. Earlier HIV, AIDS, these all the vaccines, when it was patents were when they were made flexible, many people could get the medicine. So now, if the COVID-19 medicines, if it is made for the public good, then many people can get the medicines. This is one thing. Second thing, world was worried that Russia, China, Iran, and Iran and China, $400 billion business, gas, so many things was talked about China and Iran. But now, after President Joe Biden became the president of America, now Iran is coming he is talking with them and asking them to remove the sanctions, and the flow has started. This is a very good step in the world. And the most important thing is Iran and Saudi Arabia, who are doing proxy wars from Syria to Yemen to anywhere in the world, are now talking. The biggest enemies of the world are sitting and talking what we have to do in the future. This is a very good happening. Thirdly, in the Sahel region, the Islamic terrorists, especially Al Qaeda, and we also have ISIS, all that regions, they are becoming very popular, and they may pose very big security threat in the future. So even though the Mali government or even though France is supporting for them in a very big way, world action is needed because African countries are very vulnerable, and any misappropriation there can lead to the rise of Islamic terrorism and fundamentalism there. So once they emerge, it will be very difficult to contain them. Then we're having North Korea and US, because North Korea has to come to the world, talk to the people, and they have to show to the world what is happening inside North Korea, whether democracy is there, how many people have got corona, or what's happening there. Nothing is known to the world. So during this particular moment, we want to know the things in North Korea. Then President Joe Biden has already, they have opened a talk with the North Korean regime for the discussion. Then the most important thing, even the President of Director General of World Trade Organization has agreed. The second investigation of coronavirus in China in Wuhan has to take place. Though Wuhan was the center where the virus spread? Why did they do this type of test? Why did it leak? And why against humanity, against ethics, this type of researches was taking place has to be investigated. And lastly, before concluding, I want to thank President Joe Biden of America, South Africa, and also India, Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and also many leaders of the world from the small, medium island countries, developing countries who are fighting for the people's vaccine where everybody get the corona vaccine. So one very important thing is wherever corona has been too much, we have to learn the lessons how China, Wuhan, or how South Korea, Japan, Taiwan, or how Singapore, or how Israel has done 90% immunity, or how it has put vaccination. Even now, US has also completely 50% of the America has been vaccinated. So this vaccination should reach the common people because small, medium, and poor countries, nobody should decide somebody's death. So death has to be given by God, not by the people. So please, a good step has been taken for the patent. Now it should go fast. By this year end, the whole world, 6 billion or more, should be vaccinated. Thank you very much.